In a quaint village surrounded by rolling hills and lush gardens, there lived a group of children known as the Tiny Tornadoed Kidz. It wasn't their small size or age that earned them their stormy nickname, but rather their vibrant energy and unstoppable curiosity. Gabriel, the quick-witted leader, possessed a sharp mind that was always one step ahead. His bright red hair seemed to match the fiery pace of his thoughts. Alongside him was Emily, whose gentle nature and decisive actions complemented Gabriel's impulsive tendencies. Her eyes sparkled with understanding and compassion, often persuading the others to pause and reflect. Then there was Oliver, a boy who danced to the rhythm of life with twinkling feet. His laughter was infectious, spreading joy through the town like a pleasant breeze. Completing the group was Iris, an introverted artist, whose ideas for adventures were often filled with creative twists and turns. One crisp autumn morning, Gabriel gathered his friends under the biggest oak tree in the village square. "I've heard of something extraordinary," he announced, waving around an old parchment map. "A secret tunnel that leads to an ancient library filled with magical books. Our quest begins." Emily expressed her concerns. "Shouldn't we ask for guidance? It sounds thrilling, but what if it's dangerous?" But Oliver was already on his feet. "Adventure awaits. Imagine the stories we could uncover." With Iris mutely nodding approval, armed with curiosity and the map clasped tightly in Gabriel's hand, the Tiny Tornadoed Kidz dashed with boundless enthusiasm. Their journey was an intricate dance of discoveries and small failures. The map led them through an abandoned part of the village known for its peculiar landmarks and bustling echoes of forgotten memories. They laughed and learned secrets of the centuries from each fallen leaf crunching beneath their shoes. Arriving at what appeared to be the tunnel entrance, they hesitated for a moment. The path ahead was dark, and a cold draft whispered tales of old. Gabriel, holding a lantern high, said, "We're together, and that gives us the strength of a storm." Emily added softly, "Let's take one careful step at a time." As they ventured inside, Oliver's giggles lightened the heavy darkness, while Iris captured the ethereal charm of shadows dancing against the stone walls by sketching them on her notepad. Each turn of the tunnel revealed remnants of magical devices and ancient spells. The excitement grew with every step deeper into history. Finally, they emerged into a sprawling room cloaked in cobwebs but brimming with astonishing wonders. Shelves lined with books seemed to hum with a mystical melody, promising adventures beyond imagination. Eager fingers traced centuries-old leather covers, and curious eyes devoured whispered words written by hands long gone. Within this sanctuary of knowledge, the Tiny Tornadoed Kidz realized that the mightiest storms are born from the quest for understanding. Caught in the embrace of their discovery, they spent hours, immersed in tales that transcended worlds, crafting dreams as vivid as the colors in Iris's artwork. As they returned to the village, their hearts were fuller, their minds enriched, a testament to the symbiotic dance between courage and curiosity.